Hi everyone, this is the unboxing of Galaxy S25 Ultra. The device is about to get launched in India around February 7th across all platforms, but we have one in our hand. So we are going to do the unboxing exclusively today. So the package is nice. Let's get the device out. So yeah, we have the S25 Ultra in our hand. It's a 512 GB variant. So I got this at the price of a 256 GB variant for the pre-booking offer. And the package is minimalistic like every year for the last couple of years. And I guess it does not give as good as of a premium vibe that S25 series used to. Like, it has a very minimalistic packaging. But let's see what we have inside. Okay, so we don't have much in the box. There's some paperwork, I guess, inside. Yeah, a seam ejector tool and a cable, not braided. It's just the usual Samsung cable. And so this is the S25 Ultra. This is the black one, like the titanium black, but this is not the jet black one, which is a special color available only on Samsung website and Samsung app. But this is more like a graphite color, like titanium black. And yeah, this is 12 GB RAM and 512 GB variant of memory. So let's boot up the device and let's see how fast the device boots up. Oh, that was really fast. That was really quick. Yes, so I would say the Samsung I guess Qualcomm 8 Elite chip is really doing some good work here, and I have to check how the device performs in a coming days. And if I'll have time, maybe I'll do a in-depth review of this device. Meanwhile, as we all know, some of the S Pen features has been removed. This body feels a bit plasticky. I guess it's a plastic pen, not metallic. So the typing is really nice. It's smooth, it's fast, it's responsive, so no complaints there. But I'm really surprised, I'm really unhappy that Samsung removed a lot of S Pen features such as air action and click to capture from the S Pen. That was disappointing. Anyways, so we'll be doing the more in-depth review in upcoming days. That's all for now. Thank you for watching the video.